Good evening to all. A very welcome to today's lecture on DBMS. DBMS basically stands for Database Management System. Lecture we will learn Introduction to Database Management System, DBMS versus file system, and views of data. First of all, Introduction to DBMS. DBMS is a collection of data. In DBMS, the user is not required to write the procedures. DBMS gives an abstract view of data that hides the details. Using DBMS, we can protect the data of user from system failure. DBMS provides good protection mechanism. DBMS contains a wide variety of sophisticated techniques to store and retrieve the data. Now, the next point, DBMS versus file system, or the difference between DBMS and file system. DBMS is a collection of data, and in DBMS the user is not required to write the procedures, but in file system the user has to write the procedures for managing the database. Second point, DBMS gives an abstract view of data that hides the details, but in file system it provides the details of the data, representation and storage of the data. Third point, DBMS provides a crash recovery mechanism, that is, DBMS protects the user from the system failure, but in file system it doesn't have a crash mechanism. That is, if the system crashes while entering some data, then the content of the file will lost. Next point, DBMS provides a good protection mechanism. While in file processing or file system, it is very difficult to protect the file under the file system. The next difference is DBMS contains a wide variety of sophisticated techniques to store and retrieve the data, but in file system it can't efficiently store and retrieve the data. Okay, thank you. See you in the next lecture.